Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kritika. Right now we are discussing exercise 4.2 for class 7 chapter exponents. In the previous video we have discussed question number 1 to 6. In this video we will be discussing question 7 onwards. So let's quickly begin with the question 7. In question 7 we have to express the term in exponential form. Means you have to write this for 25 upon 64 in terms of exponent. So how we will do it? Let's quickly find out factors of 25. You have to take prime numbers only in this. So prime numbers 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. Simple. Similarly, we will find out for 64. So 64 के क्या होंगे prime factors? 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8. Then we will write 2 2s are 4. Then we will write 2 1s are 2. 5 कितने times आ रहा है? 2 times. So we will write here equals to 5 कितनी बार आया? 2 times. So 5 raised to the power 2. अब 2 कितने times आ रहा है? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 2 is coming 6 times. So we will write 2 raised to the power 6. That's all. We have 343 upon 729. So we will again find out the prime factors of 343. 343 is divisible by 7. So we will divide it with 7. 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28. From 34 subtract 28. What you will get? 6. So 7 9s are 63. 7 7s are 49 and 7 1s are 7. Similarly, we will solve for 729. अब 729 को हम डिवाइड करेंगे किससे? Let's start with 3 only. So we will write 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Then we will write 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are 27. Then 3 3s are 9. Then we will write 3 1s are 3. So see, 7 is coming how many times? 3 times. So we will write 7 raised to the power 3. And in denominator we will write 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So how many times this 3 is coming? 6 times. So we will write it something like this. Now how you can write it inside one bracket? आप इसको एक bracket के अंदर भी कैसे लिख सकते हो अब ये समझते हैं. देखो, we will simply write it like this. minus 7 raised to the power 3 because minus was here. अब आप इस 3 को कैसे लिख दो? 3 का स्क्वायर और उसकी पावर 3. हम इसको ऐसे तो ब्रेक कर सकते हैं ना 6 को, 3 की पावर 2 और उसकी पावर 3. अब आप इस 3 के स्क्वायर को क्या लिख दो? 9. सो माइनस 7 अपॉन 9. इसकी भी पावर 3, इसकी भी पावर 3. तो 3 की होल पावर हम बाहर लिख देंगे and this will be 3 square 9. So it can be written as this also and in simplified way it can be written as this also. Now we will come on this, simplify the following. Simplify इसको करना है तो कैसे करेंगे? Let's quickly do that. 5 2s are 10. तो आप इसको क्या लिखोगे? 2 raised to the power 10. Multiply by 7 raised to the power 3. Now this 8. जब आप 8 के prime factors करोगे तो you will see that how many times 2 will come? 3 times. 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. So what we will write here? 2 की power 3. And the whole power will be 3 only. ये वाली power हमने यहाँ लिख दी है. Then we will write 7. इसको solve करो. 2 की power 10 into 7 की power 3 upon 2 raised to the power 3 3s are 9. So we will write here 9. Multiply by 7. अब आप इसको और simplify करो. तो these two numbers are in division. We have the powers and the base number is same. तो आप क्या करोगे? 2 10 minus 9. ऊपर भी 2 है, नीचे भी 2 है. So we will take it as 1. Division में है इसलिए आप powers क्या कर दोगे? Subtract. Multiply by 7 raised to the power 3. जब यहाँ कुछ भी नहीं है तो what will be the power? 1. तो 3 minus 1 we will write. अब क्या क्या बचा आपके पास? 10 minus 9 will be 1. तो 2 only we will write. Then 7 square we will be writing. That's all. That's your answer. In exponential form we can write it. Now if you have to simplify more तो आप क्या करोगे? 2 multiply 7 square is 7 7s are 49 and 49 into 2 will be 98. So that is more simplified form. This is simplified form and this is exponential form. Now we have another question here. 25 हम सबको पता है हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं, 5 का स्क्वायर, तो लेट्स राइट इट 5 स्क्वायर into 5 स्क्वायर t to the power 8 we have in the numerator. ये t की पावर 4 जब ऊपर जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा 8 minus 4, ये t की पावर 4 जब ऊपर गया तो it will become negative. in denominator आप 10 को कैसे लिख सकते हो 2 into 5, तो इसको हम लोग क्या लिख देंगे 2 into 5 एंड इसका क्यूब हो जाएगा यहाँ पर. Now see the next part. 5 square, number is same, so we will add the power 5 raised to the power 4. Similarly, t raised to the power also we will write 4. यहाँ पर इस क्यूब का अंदर मल्टीप्लाई करो तो what will be the answer 2 cube into 5 cube we will write here. अब 2 का तो कोई पार्टनर नहीं है तो 2 अपने प्लेस पे ही रहेगा, बट दिस 5 raised to the power 3 will go in numerator. 5 की पावर 4, 5 की पावर 3 आप सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे, what will come 5 to the power 1 t to the power 4 upon 2 cube. So that is exponential form for this question. You can simplify it more, that will be 5 t raised to the power 4 and here 2 cube is 8. So that's all for question number 7 and question number 8. If you like this video and you find it helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.